Tukika. Welcome to Mr. Tech News, where mechanical power defies imagination. These colossal machines don't just crush metal or tear cars apart. They reduce solid steel into fragments in the blink of an eye. The 1988 Cadillac DeVille had once carried countless stories, perhaps even final farewells. Now, beneath the cold steel jaws, it folds like a paper box, swallowed in seconds, closing an era and reminding us that the cycle of life always moves on. With 320 horsepower driving its hardened steel jaws, the CI-7000 operates at peak efficiency, bisecting a 20-ton bulldozer with minimal resistance. Engineered for heavy-duty demolition, it exemplifies the synergy between mechanical force and structural precision. A flawless example of industrial crushing, precise, efficient, and utterly uncompromising. Two 250 kilowatt engines work in perfect unison, reducing a steel frame to tiny fragments, leaving nothing but the echoing roar of the machine reverberating through the air. This isn't just raw power, it's mechanical artistry in motion. With every turn of the rotor, hardened steel shatters apart, reducing a 600-pound engine to fragments in less than a minute, as if the very laws of physics were being bent to its will. Back in the day, recycling pallets meant hours of prying nails with a crowbar, and no one could have imagined a rotor spinning with this kind of brute force. Now, what used to be back-breaking labor wraps up before lunch, and the whole yard is filled with the fresh, sharp scent of newly cut wood. The ground trembles like an earthquake as this beast sinks its jaws into its prey, a moment that triggers pure instinct to step back. With over 400 horsepower driving its crushing jaws and a 20,000-pound frame, no vehicle stands a chance of escaping intact. If the 75 DK ever entered a demolition race, the competition would quit before the engines even roared. Just picture it, 540 horses surging beneath its frame, steel jaws gleaming with cold precision, ready to tear through anything in its path. The battle wouldn't just be fierce, it would be over before it began. When precision fuses with raw mechanical power, the result is a machine operating at its absolute peak. This 28-ton beast, armed with a dual rotor system, delivers each cut with flawless accuracy, as if every strike were a calculated act of engineered dominance. Engineered for dominance, the VB950DK delivers unmatched cutting precision. Entire engines fall apart in seconds, reduced to fragments without wasted motion. From the outside, it's like watching a beast feast in slow motion. Every rotation of the shaft tearing through metal and crushing it into dense, high-value scrap, primed and ready for the next brutal stage of recycling. With a 145 HP Perkins diesel and 155 tons of final compression, this RR5 sets the gold standard in ELV recycling. Efficiency isn't just a spec sheet, it's 60 seconds to a high-density bale. From above, it's like watching a ravenous beast lurking in a deep pit. With every fierce bite, sparks erupt like a storm of steel fireworks, and fragments of the scrapyard's history vanish in silence, leaving behind only empty space where metallic memories once lived. Two shafts working like synchronized jaws, gripping and tearing through the toughest paper rolls. Torque tamed with surgical precision, waste reborn as pristine bales, each one a perfect brick for the recycling future. Hydromotor-driven rollers mean constant torque, steady feed, and minimal jams. It's not just brute force, it's engineered efficiency, turning tangled scrap into uniform chips that melt faster and cleaner in the recycling process. The synchronized dance between hydraulic cutters and cranes is pure industrial choreography. Tons of force delivered with millimeter precision, like a heavyweight boxer landing a perfect jab every time. The SR500 employs a single rotor configuration engineered for optimal aluminum bale processing. This design maximizes cutting efficiency while minimizing heat accumulation, critical to maintaining metal properties. A seamless fusion of engineering precision and industrial strength. The DH82Q's drum design isn't just about shredding, it's about efficiency. High-torque hydraulics combined with precision knife alignment turn kinetic energy into a clean, continuous chip stream. That's how you process tons of hardwood without choking the system. Viewed externally, VRS functions as an integrated system component. Each clamp rotation initiates a precise sequence, sorting metals with the accuracy of a professional dealer. Its efficiency is the result of meticulous engineering, not random chance. The most impressive thing about the WL500 isn't just its power, it's how it controls it. Each bite is deliberate, converting stored energy into a precise, unstoppable cut. The way those blades slice through steel like it's cardboard is pure mechanical dominance. That's not just power, that's engineered precision on full display. Watching the RS-150 work is a masterclass in mechanical engineering. 4 shafts engage with precise timing, distributing torque evenly to prevent binding. The result? Constant feed, no stalls, and the cleanest cut down of a car body you'll ever see. The M&J 4008M isn't just breaking a car. It's converting stored kinetic energy into a calculated sequence of shearing forces. The cutting drums engage with optimal RPM to maximize torque transfer, ensuring even dense engine blocks give way under sustained pressure. The dual-shaft system on the TDS 820 doesn't just shred, it balances torque distribution, so each cut stays consistent. That's why it can handle dense hardwood without jamming, turning hours of manual work into minutes of precision engineering. The 35mm square mesh isn't just a design choice, it's calculated efficiency. That opening size strips soil from brick debris with minimal clogging, while the Liebherr 556 maintains a constant, controlled feed rate. This is how you balance throughput and purity. The Prismeca 150250 uses dual-shaft shear technology, applying consistent shear force to cut reinforced rubber and steel wire. That balance of torque and RPM is exactly what makes the shredding process both efficient and safe for industrial standards. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell, so you won't miss a single thrilling chase coming your way.